Hi guys, come with me to Dino Kingdom in Pretoria. Let's enjoy the video as we get to watch what is happening here. Look at me. Just look. Look at me. Just look. You don't want to go there? You don't want that one?
Wrong.
Let's go back home. I don't want to smile.
Come there.
Gimana lang natin?
Come there. Come there.
What is that, Taco? Taco? What is that? Dinosaur?
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah. Hello, Mama. Relax, relax. I love you, Dinosaur. What is this?
Relax, I want to just keep.
Oh, it's about it. Look there. So smile. Relax. Smile. Smile. Yes. Boy, gimana? Stand dia. Ah, wait. Okay. Tanah lah, aku. Tapi malah. Boy, what's that? What's that? Lady, me aku tu buat saya na lady. Sila kan asal kau as bas die.
Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. USA and Mexico. Are you enjoying, Taco? Say cheese. Look at money. Say I love dinosaur. Say I love Dinosaur. Okay, let's go. Taka?
Gimana? Kapik. Hey.
Taka the video, man.
Ini aku nak ukur apa?
Afambe.
Ah, tidak. Bisa nyala lah, nyala mau kau nyala. Bisa nyala lah, aku nyala itu.
Hey boy! Hey boy! So after the girls' activity, Tsako and Papa and Tsako and Spatara decided to go on the rail, whatever, I don't know what they're called them. I didn't want to go in there because I'm scared. I'm scared of heights. Anything that has to do with snake movements and whatever, I don't go there. Like I decided I'm not joining. You two enjoy, and I'll join you later for something else, for another activity. But this was very nice. It was a nice experience. Spatala is in red, Papa Tsako is in black. Enjoy. Spatala here was in disbelief. You couldn't believe it. Rides. Guys, rides are those who have isbindi. If you've got the lever, you can go in there. But I, for one, So we decided to go back again and watch the dinosaurs one last time, because he and Tsako had already played outside with the rides and stuff. So we thought maybe this time around we won't be traumatized to watching the dinosaurs. And then we were watching the dinosaurs, they were making noise. There was this sound that's... Listen to that.
They left the toy. They left the ones on the TV.
So relaxing? Relax. You must relax. You must relax.
So that weird noise or sound scared my son, and he told Spatala, because he was scared. So we said, let's just go back, because clearly he's not enjoying the dinosaurs. He loves dinosaurs on t-shirts, toys, but not the actual animation of it. So yeah, we watched a little bit and then we decided to go back.
Okay, tayo malaki. Nico, tayo malalami. Tayo malalami. Hey, on the wing of the girl there. Who's that? Zago? Bo? Boy, Bo?
From electric fence. Also, the thing I like a chapter fence. 10,500 volts.
Bấm lâu tả lập.
Okay, and then he asked to go relieve himself, so he was going to the bathroom there. And we were checking what else can we do when he comes back from the bathroom. As you can see, we found something for him. Rights for kids, guys. I encourage, if you have kids, you have a child, bring your kid here, bring your children here to come and play. It's a very nice and safe place, monitored with different and a whole lot more security there to guard your kids. It's very safe and pleasurable moments for the family.
Oh, yeah. Look at